Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello Etians! Welcome back to my channel. Recently lamang sa kakatapos na performance ng SB19 sa The First Take Japan single take ay headline. Tad-tad ng pagiging headline at featured ang SB19 sa halos lahat ng sikat na Japanese online newspaper at magazine. Ito nga, sobrang nakaka-proud. So much appreciated ang mga 18s dahil ang kanilang idolo, ang ating idolong SB19, halos lahat featured sila at headline sa mga sikat at famous at mamahaling online newspaper at magazine sa Japan. Kaya congratulations SB19 at of course you made a history again and first Filipino singer na kumanta at nag-perform at na-featured sa First Take Japan.